friends, we are going to take a little quiz about Martin Luther King Jr. So remember everything that we've talked about in class and everything that we've practiced together. Number one, when was Martin Luther King Jr. born? So a little hint for you all. Remember that I told you his birthday is today. So just a hint, think about what today's date is. Where was Martin born and raised? You have A, Montgomery, Alabama, B, Atlanta, Georgia, C, Tuskegee, Alabama, or D, Cairo, Georgia. Where do you remember he was born and raised? Number 3, what 2 grades did Martin skip while he was in high school? Remember, he was very, very bright kid, and he skipped over a couple grades. So list those grades here. It was grades in high school, so your options are going to be 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. Number 4, what was Martin's wife's name? Was it Coretta Scott, B, Rosa Parks, C, Coretta Parks, or D, Rosa Scott? On this bottom part, you're going to use the words in the word bank to complete the sentences below. You have all of these choices that you'll put on the blanks. You're only going to use each one time. So once you've put it in, cross it out. Martin gave a famous speech titled, your choices are Washington, D.C., Montgomery, Alabama, Marches, I Have a Dream, Protests, Preacher, Words, and Fists. So which one of those is the title of the speech he gave? Blank is where he gave his famous speech. So here's a hint for this one. This blank has to be a place. They're talking about what place did he give his famous speech? And the only locations we have in our choices is Washington, D.C. and Montgomery, Alabama. So did he give his famous speech in Washington, D.C. or Montgomery, Alabama? Number 7, he often led blank and blank during the civil rights movements. So what did he lead during that time to kind of bring about awareness to his cause that life should be fair for all people? 8, Martin said to fight with blank, not blank. Remember, Martin Luther King Jr. was a peaceful man. He only wanted to win his cause in a peaceful way, not with fighting. Number 9, Martin wanted to be a blank just like his father. So which one of these choices is a profession, something that you could do with your life? Number 10, last one. Martin organized a boycott in blank that lasted 381 days. So again, this blank is going to be a location. They're asking, where did he organize the boycott? In Washington, D.C. or Montgomery, Alabama? Once you're done, check over your work, make sure that you circled the correct answers, and then turn this in.